Need to do lighting and electrical layout? Let me show you how to do both inside Rayon.design in one clear workflow. I'll be showing you step by step how I use Rayon.design to create a complete lighting and electrical drawing, from importing a floor plan to adding fixtures and finally exporting a ready-to-share PDF. And the best part, if you are a student, you can actually use Rayon.design for free using your student email ID. And I have added the link in the description box below, so you can sign up and follow along with me. Now, let's get started. Let's begin by opening Rayon.design in my web browser. At the top right, you will see the import option. Go ahead and click on that. From here, you can import a Rayon file, a CAD file, or even a PDF or a JPEG. So I will select my file, and now you can see it has successfully loaded into Rayon.design. This is a small house, and I also have the elevation in the section included. Now that my plan is in place, I want to create the lighting and the electrical layout for this project. There are two ways to start. Create a new layer and draw directly on the top of this plan, or make a duplicate of this plan and work on the copy. I prefer working on a copy, so I will just use the Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V to duplicate it. Next, I will open the layer panel, and here you can see all the layers inside this file. I'm going to click the plus icon to create a new layer and rename it Lighting. This helps keeps everything organized. Anytime I don't want to see my lighting layout, I can simply hide the layer. Keeping layers tidy makes our workflow much easier. Now, I will go to the bottom toolbar, select the rectangular tool and draw the rectangle over my floor plan. From the right hand side properties, I will change the fill to white and reduce the opacity around 50 to 75%. This lets me see my furniture layout faintly in the background, just enough for reference, while keeping my electrical symbols clearly visible. Next, I will adjust the layer order because I can't see the bathroom walls properly. So I will drag the new rectangle layer below the architectural drawing layer. This is why the layer management is so important in Rayon.design. Before starting the lighting layout, I will clean up the plan. I don't need the furniture dimension, joinery details, door and window numbers, or any existing annotation. Those were useful for furniture layout, but now I'll be adding new dimension specifically for lighting placement, like distance from the wall and the spacing between the fixtures. So I will delete everything I don't need and keep the plan clean and ready. Now I will open the block library from the left panel, and here you will find folders for all the electrical and lighting symbols. Just browse, everything is already created for you. No need to draw symbols from scratch. You will find lighting, fans, doorbell switches, two-way switches, three-way switches, motion sensor, literally everything you need. So I will simply drag and drop a symbol onto my plan. I will scale it up a bit and place 3 lights above the sofa like this. Then I will click Edit, select my symbol and change its color and line weight. For this project, I want to keep my electrical layout theme orange, black and white. So the base plan will stay black and white and the symbols will be orange. I will copy and paste to create the remaining lights using Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. Next, I will place 2 lights above the kitchen counter, and then I will drag in a larger fixture for the center table. Again, I will override the color to orange and confirm with Done. I will duplicate this and place it where needed. Then I will add a bigger lighting fixture in the kitchen and 2 or 3 lights near the staircase area to brighten that zone. I will also add a small light at the entrance so the staircase path stays illuminated. I will place a ceiling light in the bathroom too. Next, I'm going to create some hidden lighting details. Using the rectangular tool, I will draw a soft lighting area behind the TV panel. From the right hand side properties, I will adjust the stroke, thickness and color.
I will repeat the same step for kitchen shelves and bathroom vanity mirror. These are the cove or the strip lights, and you can even create detailed drawing if you want to show the installation methods. Don't forget to add notes wherever needed. This helps the contractor or electrician understand your lighting intent clearly. Now that the lighting layout is done, let's move to the electrical layout. I will open the block library again and this time choose the electrical symbols folder. I will select the B-type socket, scale it and place it near the TV. This will be useful for Wi-Fi, speakers, home theater or any future devices. I will customize this symbol as well using the edit option. Then I will add a doorbell symbol, scale it and place it at the entrance. Next, I will add switches for kitchen appliances, including a dedicated switch for the chimney. A quick tip: whenever you create an electrical layout, imagine yourself using the space. What appliances will you need? How many sockets make sense? Where should switches be placed for convenience? I will add a socket near the bathroom vanity too. Rayon also provides legend tables. You will find European legends and UK style legends already made. Just drag, drop, scale, and customize. If you don't need all symbols, simply delete the unused ones. Now, my electrical symbols are all added. Time to create the looping. From the bottom toolbar, I will select the arc tool and draw loops showing connections. For example, all three sofa lights will be controlled by one single switch. So, I will loop them together. Then I will select the three arcs and change their stroke color to orange. Next, I will add the dimensions. I will select the dimension tool and measure from the wall to the center of each light, where it shows 60 centimeters. Then I will measure center to center spacing 90 centimeters. I will repeat this for all the lights. I will also dimension the switchboard distance from the wall so the electrician knows exactly where to install it. To match the theme, I will change the style of the dimension using the eyedropper tool and select the orange style. To add notes or labels, I will use the annotation tool. Click the element, write your note, for example, minimum distance between sockets 200 mm. Click the tick mark and your label is added. Make sure your layout is detailed enough that your electrician understands everything clearly. As you can see, I have also customized my legend, and here's how my layout looks after adding all the details. Now, to share this with my client, I will go to the Pages panel on the left, click the plus icon to create a new page and drag it onto the floor plan. From the right hand side properties, I will set the sheet size to A4, scale it to 1:50. Now, I have a neatly arranged page layout for printing or sharing. To export, click the three dots, Export. You can save it as a PDF or a PNG file. I will name it Lighting Plan and export it. You can also share it online. At the top, click the share icon and enable presentation mode. Then just send the link to your client or colleague.
So, that's how you can draft both electrical and lighting plans all in one place using Rayon.design. With Rayon, your workflow stays faster, cleaner, and always shareable without switching between tools or losing consistency. If you want to learn more about Rayon.design, I will link the playlist for you. And if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe. And if you have any queries, drop them in the comment box below. I am Kritika and I will see you in the next one. Till then, happy designing. Bye bye.